The concept of burning fat requires a calorie deficit, which means burning more calories than you consume over a period of time, not just during sleep. However, there are some teas that may promote relaxation and better sleep, which can indirectly help with weight loss efforts by reducing stress levels and improving sleep quality. Here are 5 such teas. Chamomile Tea. Chamomile tea is a popular herbal tea that is known for its calming and relaxing effects. It may help reduce anxiety and promote better sleep, which can indirectly aid in weight loss. Peppermint Tea. Peppermint tea is another herbal tea that may promote relaxation and reduce stress levels. It may also aid digestion and help alleviate bloating and discomfort, which can make it easier to fall asleep. Valerian Root Tea. Valerian Root Tea is a natural sleep aid that may help promote better sleep quality. It may also help reduce anxiety and stress levels, which can indirectly aid in weight loss. Lavender Tea. Lavender tea is another herbal tea that is known for its calming effects. It may help reduce anxiety and promote better sleep, which can indirectly aid in weight loss. Balm Tea. Balm Tea is a mild sedative that may help promote relaxation and reduce stress levels. It may also aid digestion and improve sleep quality, which can indirectly aid in weight loss. Green Tea. Green tea contains caffeine, but it also has catechins and antioxidants that may boost metabolism and fat oxidation. If you're sensitive to caffeine, choose decaffeinated green tea to avoid any sleep disturbances. Ginger Tea. Ginger tea can have a warming effect on the body and help with digestion. It may also help reduce inflammation and promote weight loss when combined with a healthy diet and exercise. Rooibos Tea. Rooibos Tea is a caffeine-free herbal tea that is rich in antioxidants. It may help regulate blood sugar levels, reduce inflammation, and improve digestion, which can indirectly support weight loss efforts. Balm Tea. Balm Tea has a calming effect and can help reduce anxiety and promote relaxation by improving sleep quality. It can indirectly contribute to weight management. Dandelion Tea. Dandelion tea is believed to have diuretic properties, which may help reduce water weight and bloating. It can also support liver health and aid digestion. Lavender Tea. Lavender tea has soothing and calming properties, making it a popular choice before bed. It can help reduce stress and anxiety, promoting better sleep quality. Hibiscus Tea. Hibiscus tea is rich in antioxidants and may help in weight management by inhibiting the production of amylase, an enzyme that breaks down carbohydrates. It can also support digestion and hydration. Oolong Tea. Oolong Tea is a traditional Chinese tea that is partially fermented. It contains caffeine and catechins, which may help boost metabolism and increase fat burning. However, it's best to consume it earlier in the evening to avoid any sleep disruptions. Sage Tea. Sage tea has been traditionally used to aid digestion and reduce inflammation. It can be a soothing option before bedtime, supporting overall wellness. Lemon Verbena Tea. Lemon Verbena Tea has a citrusy and refreshing flavor. It may help with digestion and relieve bloating, making it a good option before sleep. And don't forget to visit our website. Thanks for watching this video. Subscribe this channel. Share the video. Like, comment.